Hello students, in this video we will discuss the question answer of lesson bird talk. First question is name the two birds in the poem. तो poem में जो दो birds थे उनके नाम क्या थे? Answer is the two birds are Robin and Jay. Next question, what are the three things that people can't do? Answer, the three things that people can't do are they can't fly, they can't sit on wires, they can't get feathers and wings. Next question, what do birds think of people? Answer, birds think that people are very funny. Next question, find two things which you can do and the birds can't do. कौन सी दो चीजें हैं जो आप तो कर सकते हैं लेकिन birds नहीं कर सकती? Answer, we can talk but birds cannot. We can walk but birds cannot. Next question, write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. So these are some words: wings, nest, water, chirp, fly, sky. So here is the first sentence. The birds chirp when they fly. Next, the birds came back to their nest after drinking water. यानी birds वापस आती हैं अपने nest में पानी पीने के बाद. Next, the birds have wings to fly. Birds के wings होते हैं उड़ने के लिए. And the last is the birds fly high in the sky. Next question, write words that rhyme with the words given below. So these are the words and the rhyming words. Like first is grow, know, throw. Second, day, bay, and the next is lay. Now think का बताना है. Think, blink, link. Funny, money, honey. Eat, seed, meat. Sing, ring, king. So these are the words. Thank you, students.